Hi, I'm Kayo and welcome back to my channel. Today's kanji is 100. So let's get started. Meaning: handwritten, radical, this part, 白, pronunciation, 訓読み, もも, 音読み、100、白、stroke order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Three tips for writing 100 beautifully. Tip 1. This tip about spaces. There are 2 spaces here, so this stroke should be long enough. This is the main stroke, so please write it very long, okay? So for example, not like this. And make these 3 intervals the same. Okay? So not like this. Big, small, big. Okay? It's unbalanced. It's not good. Right, tip 2. This tip is a little bit extra technique, okay? First of all, please make the both side stroke stick down like this and not connect here and here like yeah, it looks too neat. It looks clamped or childish for me. So, yeah, please, stick down and small spaces. Okay? I wrote these 2 strokes inward, but you don't have to do it. I mean, now I wrote these 2 strokes just vertically. It's also correct. Sorry, it should be longer. Yeah. So it's also beautiful. Please choose whichever you like. Yeah. Tip 3. This tip is about stroke movement. The first stroke should be upward, and at the same time it should be a little bit curved inward. And this is a sweep stroke or a pointy stroke. So not like this. This is downward. Okay? It's bad example. Or very flat, not curved, very flat, and it's stopping here. So very unnatural. So it's not good. Okay? Alright, so let's write again as a review. Reading quiz. 100人100点八百屋ゆり百科事典全部できましたか？ Alright, so next is example words. Number 1. 100円100円100 means 100. Yen in Japanese currency unit. Yen. Yen. Yeah. The spelling of yen is Y-E-N, but Japanese people say en. En. So please pronounce not yen, but en. Okay? 100円足りないんだけど貸してくれない100円足りないんだけど貸してくれない足りない means short 貸して貸す means borrow so it means oh no I'm 100 yen short can I borrow this is a casual situation so we can say 貸してくれない but in formal way we should say貸してくれませんか貸してくれませんか100円足りないんだけど貸してくれないBy the way, let's count the number from 100 to 900 in Japanese because this is a little bit tricky so many Japanese learners have trouble in counting the number okay 100、200、300、400、500、600、700、800、900 Okay? 100 is 100 In English, we often say 100 But we never say 100 We just say 100 Okay, and 200 300 and next 400 is 400 not 400 It's wrong 400 Okay, and 500 600 Yes, this is tricky not 600 because it's difficult to say so 600 is easier to say 600 700 yeah we don't say 700 we say 700 okay and 800 also in this case not 800 it's difficult to say so we say 800 is the same as 600, 600, okay? 800, right? And 900. This is a bonus topic. Do you know 100yen shop? 100yen shop means 100 yen store. We can also say 100kin, 100kin. Yes, 100kin is the short expression of 100yen kinitsu. 100yen kinitsu. 100 yen means 100 yen. Kinitsu means uniformity. Uniformity. So you can get all items, all products with only 100 yen. It's a very cheap and very useful and fantastic shop. Yeah, there are many products I got at the 100 yen shop. I introduce some of them. Okay? This dish 100 yen. This is 100 yen. Yeah, dishes. And this is nail clipper. This is also 100 yen. Pen case. It's also 100 yen. And hanger. In English, hanger. Hanger. Non-slip hanger for kids. Yeah, this is very useful. This is not one, maybe 3 of them. Yes, 3 of them. 100 yen. Okay? 100 yen for 3. Alright, anyway, here is example conversation. この爪切り使いにくいね。それ100円ショップで買ったからね。Like this. この爪切り使いにくいね。それ100円ショップで買ったからね。Okay? So, 爪切り means nail clipper, and 使いにくい means hard to use. So, it means それ100円ショップで買ったからね。買った means I bought or I got. So, because I got it at 100 yen store. Okay? Alright, number 2. 100%. 100%. Percent means percent. Yeah, it's totally different pronunciation. Percent and percent. Okay, so 100% means 100%. Okay? あなたの説明で今 100% 理解しました。あなたの説明で今 100% 理解しました。説明 means explanation. 今 means now. So, but now, thanks to your explanation, I understand 100%. あなたの説明で今 100% 理解しました。Alright, number 3. 百貨店。百貨店。百貨店 means department store. 今日は百貨店に買い物に行きます。今日は百貨店に買い物に行きます。今日 means today. 買い物 means shopping. 行きます。行く means go. So, it means I'm going shopping at the department store today. 今日は百貨店に買い物に行きます。Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you find my video is helpful for you, please don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any advice or request, please write them in your comments. They are very important for me. Okay? And I have also Instagram account and Twitter account, so check them out and follow them too. Alright, so see you next video.